Just because you don't see change overnight doesn't mean that it won't pay off in the long run. Time is money, and I know you kind of want to get away from the 9-to-5, but there's nothing wrong with working a 9-to-5. So you can definitely invest in yourself, learn a new skill, get a car and make money off of it. This car was an investment for me too. Welcome back with another video. And in today's video, we're talking about 7 ways to increase your income. We're living in times where things are expensive. Everybody's trying to find a new way to make money, create side hustles, start businesses, whatever the case may be. Today's video, we're gonna be talking about that. If some of y'all don't know, I am a Turo host. I rent out a 2017 Volkswagen Tiguan. I'm located in Charleston, South Carolina. Been doing it for about 3 years now, and Turo's helped me out a lot. It's helped me make some income, extra money on the side, create a business and everything like that. But there has to be more ways besides just doing Turo to make more money. And in today's video, we're gonna be talking about that. Currently, right now, I am in my rental car. Like I said, I just got it back from the airport yesterday. The car is dirty. It's a mess, but that's part of the game of doing Turo. I do know that, but it's really messy. So we're gonna go clean the car. We're gonna talk about money and how you can make more money this year too. I always like to say that we live in the best time to make money, and there's really no reason why you can't make money. So without any further talking, let's just go ahead and hop right into this video. I would say the first way you can really make money in 2024, if you have a 9-to-5 job, is ask for a raise. If you work at a job where you feel like you're not making enough money, a lot of effort and energy into this company, and you feel like you're not able to make enough money, ask for a raise. My job that I work at, it does offer a lot of different positions. I can move up in management, become a supervisor, be a forklift driver, all these different positions. So luckily for me, my job does have different levels to it in order for me to make money. Not only that too, we get bonuses too. It'd be like, hey boss, you know, it might be crazy and some people be like, what, you can do that? You definitely can. If you feel like your time deserves more money and you like your 9-to-5 job, move up in the chain of ladder to make more money. But you know, that might really be easier said than done. Ask them to work more hours, you know. Time is money, and I know you kind of want to get away from the 9-to-5, but there's nothing wrong with working a 9-to-5. A lot of people like to talk down about working a 9-to-5, but honestly, I personally say there's nothing wrong with it. You know, it's guaranteed income, you know, rain or shine. The second thing, kind of leading towards that, just switch up jobs. If you feel like you can't move up in the company, they're not paying you enough, you worked enough hours and they're not, you know, realizing what your time is worth, switch your different job, you know. Depending on what the job may be, if you're working at, you know, fast food restaurant, or if there's not really much incline for money and potential to move up, switch up your jobs, you know. There's plenty of places out there that, you know, all of it's required is a high school degree. You can work for UPS, FedEx, at a warehouse, the airport. There's a lot of things you can work for and have an increase in payment. Times are tough. Say hopefully, if some of you don't have your college degree because you didn't finish college like me, me personally, I'm a college dropout and I did not finish college. But you know, you don't always need college for everything in your life. As long as you have a GED or a high school diploma, there's plenty of jobs out there that are competitive and that do pay well too. So if you feel like you're more valuable than what the company thinks you are, definitely switch up your job and just get out of that. If they're not paying you at least $20 an hour or more, it's time to switch it up, honestly. Another thing to kind of go with that too, talking about degrees and everything like that. Like I said, you can go back to college, learn a trade, get a degree, get a diploma, get something to hire your education. That way you can be able to apply for certain jobs. I was going to school for marketing. Marketing is a degree that you can use almost anywhere and get accepted anywhere because every business needs marketing to market their business, you know. A business is a good degree. Or you can learn a trade like plumbing, electrician, carpentry, welding. There's so many trades and degrees that you can learn, and just to get a certification. One of my friends, Tavares, bro, shout out to you. He's actually going back to school now to get his certification, computer science. So he's learning how to do programming and everything like that. And he's gonna be making almost 100,000 plus once he gets his certification. So don't ever think it's too late. Like you might be 20, 25, 30, 35. It's never too late to go back to college. It's all up to you if you really want to do it. It's not for everybody, but then again, it's something that's guaranteed. Once you learn that trade, nobody can take that from you, and you can branch off and start doing your own thing. Kind of monitor your spending. So if you find yourself buying and try to compete with the Joneses or compete with the people on Instagram and try to live like this lavish lifestyle of things that you really can't afford, just keep an eye out for your spending. You may be the own problem of why you don't have enough money, especially with social media. Social media, we see what's on social media. People are flexing thousands of dollars, going on these trips, these vacations, eating at these luxurious restaurants, things like that. You could be your own problem to your spending. You just have to really be on top of that. Say you get this new job, say you learn this new skill, scale, you make all this money, but you could still blow it. You know, if you're not mindful of your spending or how much you're spending, you should be saving more money than you're spending each month. You know, you don't want to live above your means. And if you have to, of course, I understand that because things are expensive. Shout out to my girlfriend, Mariah. If it was not for her, I wouldn't be able to really live and function sometimes too, you know? Good to have somebody in your life that's able to help you out and help keep track of spending, split some of the bills and the cost of things too. It's just something that's not going to really go down. Once the government realizes that, you know, we're able to pay for all these things, it's not going down in price. Not only that too, there's more people on this earth than there was back in 1980 something when your parents were born and they were kids and teenagers. The prices of things are going up and they're not going back down. Like, resources are getting slim. A lot of things are getting slim. The housing market is getting more expensive too because there's less and less land available. So the prices of homes are going up because there's more people. A lot of people don't think about it like that way, and not bring this into politics and everything like that, but the more people there are, the more expensive things are gonna be. That's just inevitable, and it's just gonna happen. Y'all let me know down in the comments below how you feel about that. Do you think it's more political wise why things are more expensive and how we can get our resources for a lot less because depending on the president we have? Or do you think it's because we're running out of resources and that's just it, you know? Y'all let me know down in the comments below. Definitely want to invest. So whatever money that you are able to put to the side, invest it into a new skill, buy a course, go back to school, put your money into stocks, put your money into property, buy property, gold. The price of gold's going up. You can resell things, you know, you can invest in things, resell them and get a higher dollar amount for what things are worth. So say you're really big into shoes. Cool. Buy shoes for a low price, buy them for a retail price, and you can resell them, resell. Same thing with stocks, buy your stocks low, sell them high. You just really have to figure out what you're interested in, and that way you'll be able to invest your money a lot better and a lot smarter. So that's tip number 5. Just invest into little things like that, and it'll pay off in the long run. Just because you don't see change overnight doesn't mean that it won't pay off in the long run. Kind of like with my YouTube channel. Right now, I posted a video last week. If you haven't seen that, definitely go check that out right here. POV of me driving Audi SQ5 around Charleston. In the last 48 hours, that video has gotten me 248 views in the last 48 hours. That video is basically trending right now. Some people might be like, oh, well, I want to start a YouTube channel. Perfect. You have a phone, start up a YouTube channel like that. You can edit off your phone, record off your phone, all those things like that. But some people might say, oh, well, I don't have a cool car. It doesn't matter. As long as you're entertaining, you can catch people's attention. People are going to sit and watch you, and you can invest in yourself and create a YouTube channel and create an audience. Teach people things, entertain people, make people laugh, anything it could be, you can do it. So you can definitely invest in yourself, learn a new skill, vlog, make money off of that. You can get a car and make money off of it. This car was an investment for me too. Some car people might say, oh, cars are assets, you can't make money off them. I make money off this car every day. I made so far this year, I've made almost $4,000 off this car, and it's a car. All people do is just drive it around, and that's it. That's why I started up my own business and everything. Simple as that. I invested in myself, learned a skill. I learned something for free off of YouTube that somebody else taught me. Reason why you shouldn't be able to invest in yourself and to do these things. It's really up to you, and it's all limitless. If you have a camera, a phone, no matter whatever you want to do, you have all the resources at your fingertips on your phone, and you are definitely able to invest in yourself and to learn a new skill, do something new. You're the only person holding you back from not doing it, from not investing in yourself, honestly. So speaking of investments, like I said, I gotta go clean my car, so enough talking right here. Car's dirty. The person left it really dirty. That was a last minute booking I got from this car, so I definitely was happy to take it. I made $260 off that trip for somebody to have my car for 5 days. Not bad. I was very happy with it. If y'all are interested in investing in yourself and doing Turo, I've made a lot of videos. Here's my most recent video about me doing Turo. If you want to learn how to do Turo, definitely let me know down in the comments below. Definitely subscribe. I got plenty of heat, a lot of videos to drop about doing Turo. So if you want to learn how to do it, just let me know down in the comments below. But if you are still watching, definitely like this video, and I'll see y'all at the car wash. wash, and then once I get done cleaning this, we'll get back to the video. I would vlog and bring y'all out, but there's a lot of people. It's all right. Y'all know how the car video goes with the montage and everything. Y'all know we gonna clean the car. I'll show you the before and after though, and then we'll get right back to this video. For all my Turo hosts, y'all let me know if y'all would charge a cleaning fee, or just y'all let me know how y'all generally feel about this. But the last person left a sock in the car. Somebody walking around with one less sock back into the airport. Bro, that's crazy. They left a sock right there. I found all kind of stuff in the car before, but never a sock. Pretty interesting to say the least. YouTube, as you can see, we are back home in the studio finishing off this video. As you can see right here, I just got done cleaning the car. Looks amazing, looks great, ready to turn over for the next guest. Like I said, if y'all want to learn more about Turo, definitely subscribe, hit that like button, and check out some of my other videos that I posted too. Y'all can learn how to be Turo hosts too, because we trying to make this money and have more money in the 2024 and create passive income. But back on the topic, like we were saying, after you invest and spend all this money on yourself, once you invest the money, you can use that money to start a business. So I am a Turo host. I do Turo. I've made almost $4,000 with my vehicle that y'all just saw me in. And that's crazy that you can make that just simply alone with your vehicle. I have an LLC. With my LLC, I'm able to have tax deductions, less liability for me, and it makes things more official. And I started this business so I can eventually move on into buying property. Once you buy property, game's over. That's how most people make millions of dollars. Or whatever you may want to do. Some of you may not want to do property. You can do rental cars, detailing business, photography business, art, videography. The list goes on. It's crazy. And me and my girlfriend, we also started a business called Art for You. So right here are some of the pictures that we've taken. Take pictures around our town, and then we post them, and we make canvases out of our artwork. Whatever you may like, there's always a business for it. There's an avenue you can go down, and you just gotta really figure it out. What's your target market? Family members, locals, tourists. I almost started doing Amazon drop shipping. The product I was gonna have was gonna be this lunchbox right here. Has different compartments, all your silverware, something easy, simple to pick out and sell. I bought this off of Alibaba, was talking to the distributor straight from China who was gonna manufacture them for me, post them on Amazon and start drop shipping these. But I decided to hold off because I didn't think this was the right product. There's so many businesses that you can create that it's endless, you know? So whatever you like, the money work for you and you not work for the money. You know what I'm saying? Simple, easy like that. Start a side hustle. So while you're working this 9 to 5, you start up your business, you got some free time, start a little side hustle. That could be Uber Eats, Instacart, DoorDash, Uber, anything like that. Start up a little bit of side hustle to create some side money. That could be your play money. Use that throughout the week and just save your money from your 9 to 5. That way you're not really spending too much money and just using your play money and not your real money. You can work from home, use your laptop. There's plenty of things you can do. You can work for Netflix, YouTube, any call center from home. It's endless. There's a lot of ways to really make money. So don't be afraid to do these things. If you have a car and a phone and a valid driver's license, all the tips that I have right there, we live in the best time to really capitalize off all of this. And it's really up to you. Like I said before, you're the only person holding you back from doing these things, and it's all up to you to do them. So I could give you more tips and tricks, but it's up to you if you're really gonna do them, you know? If you wanna learn more about Turo, definitely subscribe, hit that like button, check out my other videos. Follow me on Instagram if you have any questions, or you wanna ask me questions about Turo or anything like that. If you like today's video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Peace.